Welcome. In this video, I want to introduce you to a new, very helpful node. I quickly created this configurator in which you can make and change your avatar. You can maybe switch between glasses, clothing, colors, etc. Then, once you are done, you can click download, and this will get the avatar just as you wished. I can quickly go to, for example, Blender and import my asset and use it as I see fit. Well, to create this download feature, you can simply go to Actions and add Export Scene. This can be a very powerful feature for your projects, and it is very easy to create. Here, you can change a name and add some notes. You can click here to add all the meshes that are going to be excluded, or, in this case, the ones that I don't want to be downloaded. Also, all the disabled or hidden assets will be excluded automatically. Then, when you click on Start, you will download everything that is visible, excluding the selected assets. Now, you can link this node to your UI for your configurator, website, or anything. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.